Envy for me is about several things. One being that whole concept. I was a stylist for a long time, so I heard women say a lot, "Oh, I love the way her hair looks. I'm so envious." And so envy is about being normal and natural. We all feel those kind of things, and we all have those kind of human emotions. So we become envious, or we envy something in someone.
Alan Eaton began his career as a stylist over 20 years ago. During that time, one of the things he recognized was that the main fashion statement most women envied was a woman's hair. Alan has embraced that thought through the years and created industry-leading concepts and designs for the wig industry.
Just a couple of her like she was earlier, looking back over her shoulder. For me personally, I got into styling wigs when I was in my early 20s. I had a friend of mine and a client of mine who was dealing with a life-threatening illness. And from that experience, I found that so many products that were available in the market at that point were so heavy. We used to joke that by the time you cut them and thinned them out, you could have made 2 or 3 wigs on top of it. So one of the big things that you'll see about wigs today is the density. It's very, very lightweight. It's very, very natural. And then by doing that also, the product has become a lot more fashion conscious, because back 20, 30 years ago, you would have to buy a wig and kind of thin it out and cut it and shape it to get it to look the way that you wanted it to, and then you'd have to manipulate it. And now that's gone, because you can take something right from the box, put it on someone's head, and essentially the product is ready to go. So in this collection, there are 3 unique cap constructions. One is what we call an open top construction. Open top construction is very lightweight, it's very breathable, so it helps control perspiration, and it makes it a lot more user-friendly. Another one of the constructions that I've developed is a lace front technology. Lace front technology is usually found more specifically with hair replacement, not so much ready-made items. So I've taken that technology and applied it to a ready-made item to keep the price point down so it's reasonable for the consumer. But by having that small feature of a lace front, it makes your hairline look completely natural, like it's growing out of your head. And then the third is a mono section. Monofilament is where you hand tie individual strands into a base construction that's a French lace or a Swiss lace. And by doing that, it makes it look like it's growing right out of your scalp, because the French lace, or the monofilament as we call it, ends up looking more like your skin tone once you put the product on. So there's 3 cap constructions and about 18 styles.
Along with being a company focused on developing incredible products, the team is also focused on a green initiative. They are working on products that will be made from sustainable, renewable, and healthy resources.
The concept of the company and what we're trying to do is really looking at, again, sustainable materials or recycled materials, whether that be in our marketing materials or any kind of collateral materials, mannequins that we provide to local retailers. I've actually found a manufacturer that uses recycled materials in their products to make mannequins. The second phase of that is really gearing more towards natural fibers in everything that we manufacture and we produce. It will at some point be even in the cap materials and everything included in the product. We're going very organic, we're going towards natural fibers, natural materials. So we're going to hopefully be the first to market with it, but that is where we're going in the next 9 to 12 months.
Alan and his team of artisans take great care to ensure that every strand, every cap, every style look and feel great.
At the end of the day, for all of us here, what's most important is really how the end user and the consumer feels about the product. It's all about whether or not the consumers respond. So we're all keeping our fingers crossed because we're very proud of what we've done here, and we hope that the people enjoy it and the market responds well, and we're always there. Got a great team of individuals who will be able to help service you and provide you the best in customer service and product knowledge, and we're just excited to get out there and get back to work and see what happens. So.